Hey everyone, I'm back. Alright, in this video, I'm going to show you guys what I'm going to do to diag no 4-low in my truck. Yep, if you've been following me and watching all my stuff, you know I've owned this truck for a year, and when I bought it, it came with a long list of just problems to fix. That's just how it goes. So, one of them I've been living with is no 4-low. I've been off-roading on 4-high. And I tell you, the torque out of this Cummins motor is amazing. Like, it works great off-roading in 4-high. But I like having 4-low. You know, if you know how to 4-low, you know what I'm talking about. You shift it in there, and seems like it just wants to crawl and climb and do whatever it needs to in 4-low, compared to 4-high, where 4-high it just 4-high is great for high. Oh well. All right, so I'll show you what happened, and I'll show you what I got here. All right, so here it is. This is my 06, and yeah, man, no 4-low, dude. Like, it's in two-wheel right now. Boom. That's 4-high, and that's two-wheel. That's neutral, and that's it. I've got nothing higher than neutral. Nothing higher than neutral. I don't know why, man. I tried rocking it, rolling it, you know, leaving it in park and shifting, um, leaving the truck in neutral and shifting, and nothing. Don't know why. And then 2 or 3 minutes ago, I said to myself, you know what? Let me crawl under the truck and see what's going on with the linkage. And I don't know who, what, how, when, where, and why, but I think the linkage is not aligned properly. Yeah, so when I go to shift into too high, I feel like the bar is so long, it's hitting my transfer case, stopping me from shifting into too high. Yeah, so I'm going to go check that out right now with you guys. So let's see. I've got, so right now I'm in neutral, and I know that. All right, here we go. Where is it? All right, so yeah, I was right. Look, I was right. You know, I've been under here a lot too. Like I swapped my transmission filter and gasket, and I didn't notice these things. So there's the linkage for the attached to the 4-wheel drive lever. This is my transfer case. Look at that. It's hitting. It's hitting the transfer case. That's not right. I feel like to hit 4-low, I'd have to go a little bit further. So I'll show you guys how to adjust this. What I'm going to do to adjust this is I'm going to shift into 4-high, right? Which is going to move it here. I'm going to undo this, move the lever a little bit, and then reattach it, and then shift again. Because I'm not going to take my Dremel and cut it. That's ghetto. I'm just going to try and redo it. I don't know if this was the original part, or if this was aftermarket, or someone swapped it in time. And I don't think there's any adjustment that you could do. Yeah, I had to put the key in the ignition, put it in neutral to shift out. So right now it's in neutral because it's hitting the transfer case. There's 2-high, there's 4-high, put it back. All right, now that it's in 4-high, see that? That's where it sits. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna loosen up the arm right here just a little bit, and then I'm gonna slide it. If I could slide the lever a little bit this way, towards the front of the truck, that's back of the truck. Back of the truck's that way. Opposite of that way is the front of the truck. So if I could slide this lever towards the front of the truck a little bit, and then tighten it down, hopefully it'll give me enough play to hit 4-low. All right, guys, you're gonna need a 13mm socket. That's what I got here. I got a 13mm socket on my 1/2-inch drive, Let's go see if I can do this one-handed. I doubt it. Oh yeah, look, one-handed. My hands are gonna be dirty as hell, but it's okay. Okay, so that should be loose. Yep, there we go. See how it slid? So now, let's go here as far as possible. Let's tighten this up. I hope that little half-inch of play gives me enough to switch into 4-low. We're going to do this with one hand again. Okay, yeah, no, I can't do this with one hand. I'll be right back. Alright, got that all nice and tightened. And now, when I shift into 4-low, I should have a half-inch before hitting my transfer case. And hopefully I don't have to cut it with my Dremel, because that was kind of screwed up. Alright, now I'm in neutral, 4 high, let's see, 2-wheel drive, neutral, please baby, 4-low. Seems to be hitting a snag. Alright, let's go into the truck and see what's up. Guys, it's still hitting. Look, I can show this to you. Come on, camera. Oh, wait. See that? Hitting. So, yeah. This sucks. Let me loosen it up and see if I could manually shift that. Alright, guys. What I did was I loosened it up and I moved it an inch. So now let's go see if I could swap. I mean, a full inch. Alright, here we go. Neutral. Nope. Still no 4-low engagement. Oh my god, now I have no 4 high. I'm in 2. Neutral. 4-low. 2 high. Okay, let's go do this again. Alright guys, so I had to fire up my truck and I had to leave because my kid's sleeping in order to do this. I couldn't shift it dry shift. It works! Everything works, believe that. I had to cut with my Dremel an inch off that damn bar so it wouldn't hit the transfer case. That means at some point in time in this truck's life, that bar was swapped out. That's not the original bar. It was hitting the transfer case. Look, I'm in neutral. Transfer case is in neutral. Look, swapping to 4-low, and there's 4-low. Oh, it's amazing to feel that pull. Go back into neutral. Transfer case into neutral. Boom. 2-wheel drive high. And there we go. Alright, well, I guess that's it for this this episode, or this video. What do you know, huh? Who would have thought that was the wrong bar on the transfer case shift linkage? To me it is, because it was too long and it was hitting the transfer case. And you saw the dirt, it looks like it wasn't even disturbed in over 10 or 15 years. This is a 2006, so no, it can't be 15 years. Yeah, no wait, 06 to, yeah, roughly, yeah. Oh well. Alright guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, check out my other videos, and definitely check out my other channels. I got this new firearm channel I started, I keep talking about that. Alright, I'll see you later.